Press the record button.
Could be a sunny day or sunny afternoon, but every day I wake, I do the same thing. Could be a starry night or the storm clouds could be raging, but when I rest my head, I give him praise. Say, tell me who give the sun for a light by day, and tell me who give the laws for the stars and the moon for a light by night. Say, tell me who stir up the seas and they roar. Say, tell me who Yahweh of hosts is his name. He paved the seashore, he made the mountain tops grow. Everything come from a seed, but the seed come from one thing. So tell me, who is the creator of everything? My brethren, to the one to God belong all the praise. I give thanks and praise to Jah. Some call him Yahweh, every day I wake, I give thanks and praise to Jah. Give thanks and praise to Jah. Every day I wake, I give thanks and praise to Jah. Could be a sunny day or a sunny afternoon, but every day I wake, I do the same thing. Could be a starry night or the storm clouds could be raging, but when I rest my head, I give him praise. Every day I wake, I give thanks and praise to Jah. Give thanks and praise to Jah. Every day I wake, I give thanks and praise to Jah. For the stars in the sky, the whole universe, we bless the Heavenly Father. From the depths of your souls, every day give praise. It's the end of the time, there's no love to be found. Money, money, money is the root of all evil. We need love, not segregation. Spread the truth, stop pontification. True love come only from Jah, so each and every day I wake. True love come only from Jah, so each and every day I wake. Give thanks and praise to Jah. Every day I wake, I give thanks and praise to Jah. Happy hold my strength, happy bear my burden. Keep moving forward, Rastaman chanting, Babylon attacking, imposters invading, oppressing I unite, who stand for the truth. I'm going through it right now, but I'm on my way to the other side. I know a handful of coin is waiting for me in Zion. Them devils try to kick me down, but I'm a conqueror. If I lose my life, I'm coming out a martyr. When I fall down, I learn to get back up, one step at a time. Say future forward, every day I wake. Give thanks and praise to Jah. Some call him Yahweh, every Every day I wake, I give thanks and praise to Jah. Could be a sunny day or a stormy afternoon, but every day I wake, I do the same thing. Could be a starry night or the storm clouds could be raging, but when I rest my head, I give Him praise. See, tell me who give the sun for a light by day, and tell me who give the laws for the stars and the moon for a light by night.